Charlie Bear? Charlie? Oh, where can he be? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Charlie! Well, you really are in a hurry today. Why are you running? I know. You're timing yourself to see how fast you can run. Off again? Charlie, you'll tire yourself out at this rate. Why don't you race against someone? Then you'll really find out how fast you are, Charlie. Ah, you're going to race Rivet. And they're off. Well, okay, Rivet's not that fast, but he is quite fast for a robot. And with that steady rhythm, Rivet won't get tired out easily. Not every race is won by sprinting as fast as you can, you know. Sometimes you have to pace yourself. Wow! The crowd love you, Charlie. Are you the running race champion? Ah, I see. It's a race between you and Rivet on a real running track in a real sports stadium.
Ladies and gentlemen, and one squeaky penguin. It's the Little Charley Bear versus Rivet the Robot Grand Final Running Race.
Careful, Charlie. Don't use up all your energy.
Runners to the starting line. Runners, on your marks. Get set.
Oh, he's gone. Charlie, you weren't supposed to start. The announcer hasn't said go yet.
Okay then. Runners, on your marks. Get set. Go!
Whoa! Look at Charlie go. Look how fast Charlie is running.
Little Charley Bear is racing to a huge lead. This is amazing. This is unheard of. He's even going to lap Rivet the Robot, ladies and gentlemen. And one squeaky penguin. Little Charley Bear is running such a fast race, even I'm feeling dizzy.
Uh-oh. Charlie's getting tired and puffed out. Charlie, maybe you should slow down so you can last the whole race. I mean it, Charlie. You should save your energy and pace yourself. Charlie! That's the wrong way, Charlie. This is silly. You're running way more than you have to, and now you've run out of breath. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. You really are tired out. Stop trying to run so fast, Charlie. slowly and surely will win you the race.
Rivet the robot wins!
Oh, well, it won't Rivet the race at least. That's called being a good sport, Charlie. Well done. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination, Charlie. Is Rivet the fastest robot ever? And are you proud of him? And I'm proud of you.
Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? Ah, Charlie, there you are. What are you looking for? Ah, batteries? What do you need batteries for? Oh, I see. You want to use your torch. It's too bright to see the torchlight, isn't it? You need to make your room darker, Charlie. That's better. Could you aim that somewhere else, please, Charlie? Thank you. Ah, you found Midge! And he's huge! Look at his shadow! Are you going to play a shadow game with all your friends, Charlie? Oh, that's Midge! Do we have to guess all your friends by their shadows? Great, I love guessing. Okay, long ears. That's Niblet. Long legs, it must be Ballerina. All square shapes, must be Rivet. Big tummy, that's Frozo. Now that can only be Caramel. And that's you, Charlie, of course. Your shadow can't do things by itself, Charlie. It only does what you do when you do it. That's how shadows work. Where are you and your shadow sneaking off to, Charlie? I can see you. What are you doing outside in the dark, Charlie? Whoa! That really is a bright light. And look at the shadow it makes. Great star jumps, Shadow Charlie. That looks like a big mouth. Are you, a crocodile? Yes! What's next, Charlie? Oh, another animal. I know! You're an elephant. And now you're a ballet dancer like Ballerina. Shadows are so much fun, aren't they? What else can you do with your shadow, Charlie? Wow! Your shadow has come to life by itself. Unbelievable! Shadows can't really do that, not really. Fantastic! Amazing! Wow! You can make your shadow do such incredible things, Charlie. Bravo! Oh, your shadow can do other things too, like tickle you. Oh dear, it doesn't want to stop. Finally, your shadow is quite naughty, isn't it? Charlie, I think your shadow is sneaking up on you. Are you refusing to play until your shadow behaves itself? I think it worked. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination. I love your shadow show, Charlie. Bye-bye, little Charlie Bear. Bye-bye, everybody. Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? Is he out somewhere? Charlie? Oh, Charlie! A pot plant, that looks nice. Oh, and another one. Charlie? What are the plants for? Oh, that's a strange way to walk. Do you need to go to the toilet, Charlie? Right. Hold on. That looks like an elephant. So before you were a gorilla. Oh, I know. You're a slithery snake. Elephants, gorillas and snakes all live in the jungle, so that's what the plants are. Your jungle. Do you know what jungle animals like gorillas, elephants and snakes sound like? Are you going to find out what sounds they all make? That hat is definitely you, Charlie. Wow! A hot, steamy, tropical jungle. Let's go and find a... Oh, Midge! Where did you come from? Hiya. You gonna... Good. I'm glad you won't be by yourself looking for animals in the jungle, Charlie. Oh, Niblet has come to join the Jungle Sounds expedition too. Excellent. A real live jungle animal. What type of animal is it, I wonder? A gorilla! Yes, of course. That's how a gorilla sounds. Look out, a snake! Whew. Now you know how a snake sounds too, Charlie. Wow! Don't be scared. It's only an elephant. See for yourselves. It won't hurt you. Maybe that's all the animals there are today. Maybe not. What animal could it be this time? I've never heard that sound before, Charlie. I have no idea what it is. Wait, guys. Oh, it doesn't mean that it's a scary animal. Oh, dear. There really is no need to hide in the dark. The jungle is a lot nicer than this cave. Charlie, Midge, Niblet, stop! It's okay, I'm sure it is. Ouch. You okay? I felt that. It's Caramel! It was Caramel making that noise. She was teasing you all along. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination. Charlie, that sound was Frozo. You sat on him. Charlie? Oh well. I think it's time to say bye-bye, little Charlie Bear. Charlie? Oh, Charlie! Bye-bye, Charlie. Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Oh. Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? There you are, Charlie. Charlie? Charlie, what are you doing? Charlie, can you hear us? Charlie? Charlie? Oh, are you okay? What are you reading, Charlie? What are you doing? Have you lost something? Oh, tell us, Charlie, please. Charlie, go on. Charlie! Will you show us that piece of paper you're looking at? Please? Oh, it's a map. A treasure map. Nice. Do you know who makes treasure maps? Pirates, that's who. You make a great pirate, Charlie. Arr! Are you all set for pirate adventures then, me hearty? Arr! Oh, the Jolly Roger pirate flag. This must be a pirate island, and there must be buried treasure here. How exciting! You won't find it like that, Charlie. Use your treasure map. That's it. You have to follow that dotted line, and then that big X must mark the spot where the treasure is buried. Yes! That palm tree must be that one on the map. You're at the start. You're at the start. All right, I'll stop doing the voice. Okay. There was some fruit on the map, Charlie. Was it an apple? Nope. You need to find bananas. Carrots. Watermelon. Broccoli, but none of those things grow in trees. Ah, bananas. You're on the right track, Pirate Charlie. Yes, up and over the mountain to find the treasure. Aha! All right, I promise I'll stop. What do you need to find next, Charlie? Something in the shape of a semicircle. Charlie? There's your semicircle! The rainbow! You're getting closer to the treasure! Hey! And next, a cave! Where did this snow come from? Oh, well, it's marked on the map. It's that big white area. It's snow. Hey! You naughty pirates! You're supposed to be finding buried treasure, not throwing snowballs at me. Come on, me hearty. You must be getting very close to the treasure now. Ah! Well, you started throwing snowballs. Why can't I do the voice? All right. Don't you know where you are, Charlie? Oh. Hold on. Are those stripes you're standing on? The X! Aha! X marks the spot where the pirate treasure is buried. You found it, Charlie! You found it! Oh! A treasure chest! Wow! Open it, Charlie. Go on. You found your friends! Fantastic! The best treasure of all. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination, Charlie. You're a pirate who found treasure. Ha ha! Me heart. Okay, I'll stop now. Bye-bye, little Charlie Bear. Bye-bye, everybody.